Hi, my name is Brenda Lebsack, and I'm a special ed teacher running for Santa Ana School Board. I'm running because my school district is engaged in many acts of deception. There are school rainbow posters that say safe space. However, our schools are not safe. Our school libraries contain dangerous books, including one that teaches kids how to use adult sex dating apps. This book tells kids to upload a picture of themselves on the app that can access their location. This places kids in harm's way of sex predators, including human trafficking. LGBTQ identifying youth are especially vulnerable of these dangers. This book was delivered to an elementary school by the Bookmobile. I later learned it's in some of our middle school and high school libraries too. Shockingly, it's endorsed by the teachers union. Those in power either don't care or have some other agenda. SAUSD needs courageous leadership, so I humbly ask for your vote. Thank you.